നമസ്കാരം, മീഡിയ മെൻ ന്യൂസിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ത്യൻ റെയിൽവേ ഇൻഫ്രാസ്ട്രക്ചർ പ്രൊവൈഡേഴ്സ് അസോസിയേഷന്റെ 16ാമത് ഓൾ ഇന്ത്യ കോൺഫറൻസ് എറണാകുളം ലുലു ബോൾഗാട്ടി ഇന്റർനാഷണൽ കൺവെൻഷൻ സെന്ററിൽ നടന്നു. ഗവൺമെന്റ് ഗവർണർ പി.എസ്. ശ്രീധരൻപിള്ള ഉദ്ഘാടനം ചെയ്ത ചടങ്ങിൽ പങ്കെടുത്ത ഏവരെയും കേരളത്തിലേക്കും ഗോവയിലേക്കും അദ്ദേഹം ഒരേപോലെ ക്ഷണിച്ചു.
First of all, I welcome all of you to Kerala, and I am requesting all of you to wait 2 days here. And the tourism is concerned, Kerala is in the forefront. So spend a few days here and you can enjoy the speciality of Kerala. But as the governor of Goa, I am inviting you people, all of you, to Goa also for a visit. If you saw me, our Rajbhavan in Panaji would humbly receive you, and I'm very happy because of Kerala and Goa are the centers of tourism, not to the entire world, and this time may be used for that purpose also. Indian Railway, of course, IR Infrastructure Providers Association is an organization now celebrating 16th All India Conference in Kochi. I am very happy to see that Indian Railway is the second largest employment providing setup in India. First is of course our military. Second is railway. And as far as the world railway system is concerned, of course we are in the 4th position. But one thing is very clear: we are largest railway using citizens in the world, because 2 crore 30 lakh passengers each day they are using railway, and that is why we are holding the first position in the world. Our network, railway network is concerned, we are the 4th. But I am very happy, and with the full confidence I can say that our railway system is developing day by day. Within short time we will be able to achieve the second largest in the world. Of course, I had occasion to see some articles. Now 5,000 contractors dealing with this. Their contribution to the development of the railway as well as the development of the nation is an important epoch-making achievement, and I congratulate all the contractors for your dedicated work for the nation as well as the railway.
ഇന്ത്യയുടെ വിവിധ സംസ്ഥാനങ്ങളിൽ നിന്നുമുള്ള പ്രതിനിധികൾ കോൺഫറൻസിൽ പങ്കെടുത്തു. ന്യൂസ് ഡെസ്ക്, മീഡിയ മൈൻഡ്.